It is important to take care of your gut health, and that can be done with the intake of certain natural herbs as well. Maintaining good gut health is important as it influences the health and condition of the rest of the body. If your gut is not digesting, absorbing, and excreting the food consumed, then the rest of the body will suffer in different ways. When we talk about the gut, it is about all the parts of your digestive tract, including the mouth, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum. Gut health means how well balanced the friendly and bad bacteria are in the overall function of your digestive system. Triggering factors such as stress and poor diet can disturb the balance between good and bad gut bacteria. Probiotics are good bacteria that help in bringing back the healthy balance of good bacteria. And there are many easily available and affordable herbs that can be used for this purpose. These include licorice root, trifala, etc. Gut health has to be strong for many bodily functions. There are certain lifestyle routines that should be altered to maintain good gut health. Do you want to improve your gut function? Gut health is the right balance of microorganisms that are present in the digestive system. Taking care of the health of your gut and maintaining the balance of the good and bad microorganisms is essential for physical and mental health, immunity, and many other factors. Trifala. It is a beneficial natural way that helps with digestion and bowel movement. You can take trifala churna at night before bedtime. It can be mixed with hot water as well. It is mostly used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine and is a mixture of herbs such as amla, gooseberry, bipitaki, and haritaki. Trifala can be one of the best herbs to treat leaky gut. It can improve the absorption of nutrients and enhance gut function. Trifala has important nutrients and antioxidants. It can provide relief from gastrointestinal problems like bloating, constipation, and abdominal pain. Licorice root. Licorice root is also one of the commonly used herbs to maintain good gut health. Licorice root is mostly used to help with irritation by giving a cover over the membrane lining, and to help reduce inflammation. As per research, licorice root contains plant compounds that can ease stomach discomfort and irritation. In fact, licorice root can also kill bad gut bacteria, which can be a cause of peptic ulcers. Slippery elm. Slippery elm is used for curing the mucous membranes in the gut. Slippery elm has been also proved to be good for bowel movements in patients who have irritable bowel syndrome. Heals heartburn, and provides antioxidants in inflammatory bowel conditions like Crohn's disease. Slippery elm is a tree that is native to eastern Canada. The inner bark is slippery, thus the name. Slippery elm can be chewed or mixed with water. It is also used for sore throat, constipation, stomach ulcers, skin disorders, and severe other conditions. Rosemary. Rosemary is a beneficial plant that helps to clear your liver and head. Rosemary extract can be used to treat indigestion. It promotes digestion, reduces inflammation, and keeps a healthy balance of gut bacteria. You can even sip rosemary tea daily as a way of rosemary intake. It has a good amount of antioxidants and contains anti-inflammatory properties. So, these were some natural herbs that can help in boosting gut health. You can start adopting some healthy tips in your day-to-day life to keep your gut health strong. Your gut bacteria are important for a lot of organs of the body.